Today we are gonna talk about the oldest of the great world religions, Hinduism. Hinduism is followed by more than 1 billion people, out of which more than 94% are Indians. We do not know the exact date of beginning of Hinduism, but Hinduism began at least 5000 years ago in India. Hindus got its name from the river Indus by Persian invader in 6th century BC. Many people also call this religion Sanatan Dharma, which means eternal truth. Hindus believe in one great power or supreme god called Brahman that exists in everything. In Sanskrit, Brahman is pronounced as Brahm. Please do not confuse Brahman with Brahma and Brahmin. You will learn it later. The part of Brahman in everything is Atma or soul. Hindus believe in cycle of death and rebirth. When we die, our soul, that is Atma, lives on in another person, animal or plant according to their karma. Hindu worship many gods, each of which represents part of Brahman. Some of the gods can take different forms. Hindu can choose a favorite god depending upon their need and love for that god. But the most important of all is the Holy Trinity, each of Vishnu, Shiva and Brahma, which is known as Tridev. This group of three makes the Brahman, the supreme god. Brahma, he is known as the creator of universe. His four arms symbolizes the 4 points of the compass and has 4 faces which can look in all the directions. It suggests that Brahma can be at all the places in same time. Vishnu. Hindus know Vishnu as preserver. They believe that when the earth is in danger, Vishnu protects it. For this purpose, he has taken many forms, including the form of Lord Rama and Lord Krishna, and visited the earth 10 times in 10 different animal and human form, called the Sahotar. Shiva. Hindu knows this god as destroyer. Shiva destroys things which are no longer needed but also allows new things to be created. So he is said to control life and death. He is also known as Lord of Dance. The best thing about this religion is that Hindus has god and goddess both. There are many other deities too. Some of them are Ganesha. He is worshipped at the beginning of any journey because he is thought to remove obstacles. Hanuman, the intelligent monkey god and the follower of Lord Ram, helped Lord Ram to save goddess Sita from Ravan. Lakshmi, she is the goddess of wealth. Saraswati, she is the goddess of knowledge and art. According to Hinduism, the meaning or purpose of life is fourfold: to achieve dharma, arth, kama and moksha. The first dharma means to act virtuously and righteously. That is, it means to act morally and ethically throughout one's life. The second meaning of life is earth, which refers to the pursuit of wealth and prosperity in one's life. Importantly, one must stay within the bounds of dharma while pursuing this wealth and prosperity. That is, one must not step outside moral and ethical grounds in order to do so. The third purpose of a Hindu's life is to seek kama. In simple terms, kama can be defined as obtaining enjoyment from life. The fourth and final meaning of life according to Hinduism is moksha, enlightenment. In order to achieve moksha, Hindus have to liberate themselves from the cycle of death and birth and to go and connect with Brahman. Hinduism has many sacred books that explain the religion and instruct people how to lead their lives. The oldest texts are 4 books known as Vedas. These contains hymn to the gods and the text telling priests how to carry out their duties. Rig Veda is the oldest and most sacred of the Vedas. It contains some 1000 hymns of praise to 33 of the most important of the god. Bhagavad Gita. It is the most famous book between the Hindus. This book is also praised by great personalities such as Einstein and Gandhi. The Gita is a dialogue between the warrior Prince Arjun and the god Krishna, serving as his charioteer at the battle of Kurukshetra fought between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Gita gives various types of life lessons. Apart from these sacred books, There are two epics, Mahabharata and Ramayana, which tells the stories in which the gods come to the earth. Mahabharata. It is the longest poem ever written. Bhagavad Gita is part of this epic. Ramayana. This is about Lord Ram, who spent 14 years in exile. And he also fought with Ravan to save his wife Sita with the help of monkey god Hanuman. Hindus also believe in caste system. Earlier, caste called Varna was chosen according to the strength of people. There were 4 types of caste. Brahmin. They did the jobs of teacher and priest. Kshatriya. They were warriors and rulers. Vaisya. They were farmer, traders and merchants. Sudra. They were laborers. With passage of time, caste system changed. A new word called Dalit, meaning untouchable, was added. Later, the caste of children was decided by the caste of their parents. It means that the son of a Brahmin will be a Brahmin, and same applies for all the Varnas. This new system has created differences in the society. Some of the castes are considered as lower caste, and they are discriminated. But with the passage of time, discrimination is decreasing. The best part about Hindu religion is their festivals. Hindus have festivals for almost everything. Some of the major festivals are Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Makar Sankranti, which is also known as Pongal, and Lohri in some part of India, and many others. Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hindu religion. It is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years at 4 riverbank pilgrimage sites: the Allahabad, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain. The festival is marked by a ritual dip in the waters. The followers of Hindu religion believe that bathing in these rivers is a means to prayashchit, atonement for past mistakes, and that it cleanses them to their sins. Hindus go to temple for worshipping their god. There are different types of temple according to different gods. So what is the best thing you like about this religion? Tell us in comment. It is impossible to provide all the details about Hinduism in a single video. We have tried our best. Please like and share this video with your friends so that they can also gain some knowledge about this beautiful religion, and hit the subscribe button to get more of this type of informative videos.